Hi guys, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So hari ni I akan try this one brand called ZC. Actually, I tak pernah dengar this brand before. I've never heard of this brand before until they approach me and ask if I want to try their products and give my honest review and feedback of their products. So of course I said yes. I'm always down to try out new makeup, new brands. So this brand is another affordable brand, but I feel like this brand is a bit different from the rest of the affordable makeup macam O2O, 4Calorie yang I pernah try before. Sebab kalau you guys tengok the packaging, tengok the product, you takkan expect it's an affordable product because it looks luxurious. I akan tunjuk you guys some of the product. This one is the eyeshadow. This one is the foundation. Nampak tak? Dia punya packaging is really nice. We're gonna get into the details of every product later. So I have literally full face of ZC product to try out today. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's start with primer. So I have this multi-effect makeup primer from ZC. So basically, kalau you guys nak order any of this product from ZC, you guys boleh order kat Shopee because I pun place my order through Shopee. Dia ada 3 jenis colour. Dia ada macam I punya, this one is like a peachy pinky colour. This one is for like brightening. Dia macam, kalau you guys tahu tone up cream kan, so dia macam bila you guys pakai, muka you guys akan nampak like brighter. So I akan try dulu this primer. Okay, let's see the texture. Oh, texture dia tebal. And I can blend this primer with a brush because I malas nak basuh tangan. So let's see how it applies. This primer does have fragrance, but I'm not sure fragrance apa because I'm really bad with fragrance. You guys know that. Okay, akan ratakan dia. Blend it out nicely. Guna brush. Kalau guna tangan lagi cepat lah. But can you see? Nampak tak? Tangan I nampak gelap dah. Sebab dia ada like the brightening effect. So I actually suka primer yang macam ni. Yang jenis macam brightening. Bila you pakai, dia akan like sekatakan warna kulit you guys. So bila korang pakai foundation, dia nampak cantik je lah. And not bad. Dia hydrating juga. So for those yang ada kulit dry, it's nice untuk hydratekan kulit you before you pakai makeup. It's only RM29. Packaging dia kaca and it feels so heavy. Dia rasa macam a really high-end product tau. I have no idea how they can sell this at such low price. Okay, moving on to the next product is foundation. So I akan pakai this ZC All Hours Foundation. My shade is LW1 Ivory. So this foundation is only RM35. Packaging ni sama macam the primer. Feels so heavy and expensive. Okay, I really like the packaging. Nampak very sleek. Okay, kaca pula tu. So let's see if this shade matches my skin tone because you guys know how bad I am at choosing shade online. I memang kalau online nak pilih shade is so hard for me. So this is how the texture looks like. Dia a bit watery. Okay, dia bukan texture yang tebal. So I tak sure nak blend guna sponge ataupun brush. Dia ada juga sponge ni. This is the sponge. So I tak tahu nak blend guna sponge ke guna brush. Sebab sponge ni is a bit dense. Foundation I think I can blend guna brush. Since this foundation ada this watery texture kan. So I suka blend any foundation yang this kind of texture guna brush. So I feel like it gives more coverage. So I can blend. This one I guna brush from MAC 117. My favourite foundation brush. Okay, a bit cerah sikit. But we're gonna make it work as always. It's not too bad, right? Tapi in real life, it doesn't look that bad, like seriously. Okay, so the texture is really lightweight, senang nak blend. The coverage, I would say it's sheer to medium coverage. Dia definitely not a full coverage foundation. Tapi you boleh build up the coverage. You boleh tambah, put on another layer of the foundation untuk bagi lagi banyak coverage. Really easy to blend. Dia ada fragrance juga, just so you know. But it's really mild, dia tak kuat sangat. And it smells nice. Yeah, I think kalau blend guna brush, dia lagi bagi more coverage lah. Sebab brush dia absorb less product than sponge kan. Tapi kalau guna sponge, maybe dia akan nampak lagi dewy. Dia punya finishing tu compared to brush. Okay, kalau you guys suka yang foundation jenis ringan, jenis macam medium coverage yang sesuai untuk pakai daily, this foundation is perfect for you. Okay, now I nak pakai concealer. So I have this ZC Aqua Concealer. For concealer, I pilih shade Ivory as well. So I can apply this concealer underneath my eyes and dekat area yang nak highlight my face. So I can blend the concealer with the sponge. Okay, concealer ni dia bukan jenis yang cepat kering ataupun cepat set. So if you biar dia lama sikit pun dia still senang je nak blend because it's really like creamy, hydrating. Dia bukan jenis yang mengeringkan tu. Yeah, it's really nice. Dia tutup I punya parut, dia tutup I punya like dark circle under my eyes pretty well. You see? Finishing dia very like dewy. So for those yang ada dry under eye macam I, bawah mata I memang kering and some area of my face pun kering. So it's really nice untuk orang yang ada dry skin. But it's not too oily. So kalau you guys ada oily skin ataupun combination skin, you guys can pakai this concealer as well. And this sponge is not as bad as I thought. Kalau you guys picit-picit macam ni rasalah keras. But bila you blend dekat muka, it's not that bad. So that's how the concealer looks like on my skin. So if you guys wondering, this concealer is only RM15. RM15 sahaja, sangat-sangat affordable. Now kita akan set my foundation and my concealer with loose powder. So I ada this long lasting oil control loose powder. Okay, so it comes with a puff. I suka guna puff ni untuk apply punya loose powder because your makeup akan nampak very smooth, very like flawless if you guna this puff. Got dia punya seal first. Okay, dia colour putih je. So dia sesuai untuk semua warna kulit sebab dia translucent. So before I set my under eyes and my face, I akan make sure everything is well blended, tak ada any crease line. So with the puff, wow, dia punya powder very fine, very nipis tau. Very halus because this loose powder is like so fine and mattifying gila. So for those yang ada dry skin macam I, dia akan keringkan sikit your skin. Can you see? I tak tahu kenapa dia macam ada line kat sini. Why does it not blend? Siapa yang ada oily skin, then I think you will love this very much. Tapi for those yang ada dry skin macam I, it does dries out your skin sikit. So don't apply too much. Apply dekat area yang perlu sahaja. Okay, tak tahu kenapa dia ada macam apa tak, dia macam larikan sikit I punya foundation. Tapi in real life dia nampak okay. Tak tahu on camera I nampak dekat my viewfinder dia macam a bit cakey and bercapuk kat sini. Why ah? Why does it look like that? Sebab translucent powder dia tak ada coverage. Dia untuk set you guys punya concealer, you guys punya foundation. So I ada juga compact powder. This one is the refreshing silky powder. So I akan guna this powder untuk tambah lagi coverage. Okay, dia datang dengan the sponge as well. This one is the packaging. Cantik gila. Ambil and try untuk give more coverage to my skin. That looks better. Okay, this powder, it does have coverage, tapi dia tak buat muka keki. Dia tak rasa berat. Dia punya surface of the puff ni, dia macam velvet kind of texture. So, bila apply powder tu, dia nampak smooth and flawless. By the way, the translucent powder is only RM39 and this compact powder is only RM26. I forgot to mention yang for the compact powder, I ambil shade 01. Ivory skin. So next I ada this ZC Sculpting Concealer Powder. This is how it looks like. Dia ada 3 colour. Dia ada a lighter macam cream colour, greyish brown colour and a light brown colour. So unfortunately clip I pakai this shading, blusher and highlighter got missing. I tak tahulah macam mana boleh hilang dalam SD kat I. But anyways, although the colour of this shading powder is a bit light for my skin, tapi you boleh build up the coverage and pigmentation. So I really like how it looks on my face. My contour look really soft and natural. Next for blusher, I sedih gila tak dapat tunjuk you guys how I apply the blusher because the blusher is so cantik. I really love the colour and the packaging. The blusher is so pigmented as well, so a little goes a long way. Highly recommend you guys untuk try this blusher, cantik sangat and it's only RM36. Then the highlighter, oh my god you guys, the highlighter is the bomb. Sumpah cantik gila. The packaging and the highlighter itself memang sangat cantik. Highlighter dia jenis yang blinding tau, dia bukan jenis yang natural. So if you suka highlighter yang nampak macam wet or basah-basah, you have to try this highlighter. It's only RM25. Okay, so I just realised yang I tak order any brow product. So I'm just gonna go do my brow quickly off camera and I'll be right back. So done with my brow. For my brow today, I don't really do much. I just brush it with some brow wax and I just conceal it with this concealer from ZC. And concealer pun bagus untuk dijadikan as kening punya concealer, because it's really creamy, dia senang nak blend, dia tak tebal, dia tak cepat kering. So dia senang untuk you guys blend ke atas kening you. So now let's move on to the eyeshadow. So for eyeshadow, ada dua eyeshadow from ZC. This one is 01 and this one is 02. Tapi I rasa hari ni I nak try 01 sebab 01 colour dia more to like brownish neutral kind of colour, and 02 ni dia macam pinky shade. So I rasa hari ni I just nak go with neutral eyes. So for this eyeshadow, this one is only RM65. Mind blown dengan harga dia sebab packaging dia, ya Allah, very exclusive. Okay, it feels heavy as well. It feels so nice. Okay, dia rasa very luxurious. And look at the colour. Dia ada 16 eyeshadow. I can swatch some of the mattes and some of the shimmer. Oh wow, can you see how pigmented that is? I literally just swirl sikit je and one swipe you get that pigmentation. Okay, let's try this green one. Okay, the green one is less pigmented than the brown one. Now I nak try the yellow. Yeah, the yellow shade is nice. Tak tahu you guys nampak ke tak sebab kulit I pun kuning. Okay, I nak swatch the shimmer pula. Ooh, that is so pigmented. Can you see? Dia tak ada nama for the shade, so I just tunjuk you guys lah which shade yang I nak guna. So first I nak guna this brown shadow for my crease. Okay, I guna this brush from Sephora. This is the Pro Shadow 14 brush, and I'm gonna apply it dekat I punya crease, and I akan drag dia dekat tepi sikit. And right off the bat, dia tak chalky, dia tak powdery. Bila I hit the brush dekat pen dia, dia tak ada fall out sangat. Ada sikit but it's really mild. Dia tak jatuh-jatuh pun dekat pen lain. It's easy to blend, colour dia very consistent. Okay, I can apply the same colour dekat underneath my eyes with this flat brush. Okay, now I'm going to use the darkest brown colour, and I can apply dekat my outer corner to create more depth and definition. Sometimes like a cheap quality eyeshadow, sometimes bila you apply, dia tak blend cantik, dia akan like, it cannot separate the two colour. But this eyeshadow blends super nicely on top of each other. This eyeshadow dia ada 4 colour you guys boleh pilih. Ni baru 2 yang I dapat, dia ada lagi 2 yang colour dia semua cantik-cantik, so you have to check it out. Just check I punya description box and then click the link. Dia akan directly pergi dia punya store dekat Shopee, so you guys boleh tengok. Okay, you guys will love it as much as I do. So far, semua produk yang I guna from ZC has been good, except for the loose powder sebab I terpakai banyak, so dia buat muka I kering sikit. Tapi tadi I actually dah spray sikit muka I guna face mist untuk hydrate sikit, and now it's better. I terlupa sebab I dah lama tak guna translucent powder tau. I selalu guna loose powder yang ada coverage. So I forgot how translucent powder memang dia akan mattify you punya skin a bit more daripada loose powder yang biasa yang ada coverage. So I letak banyak, so that's why dia keringkan sikit I punya muka. Kalau you guys ada dry skin, you guys nak try translucent powder ni, you guys kena pakai sikit-sikit je. But if you guys have oily skin, then this translucent powder will be perfect for you. Okay, dia memang mattify gila. Biasanya bawah mata I, bila I make up, after a while dia akan nampak sikit line. But bila I pakai this translucent powder, right until now, tak ada pun line kat bawah mata I ni. Dia tak crease pun. Sebab it's really, it set your makeup really well. Ada lama tak buat gold eyeshadow, so I think I'm gonna go with this gold shimmer on the inner part of my lids sampai the center. Oh my god, you guys, this is so pigmented. Can you see that? Oh my god, I baru swirl sikit je and then I apply. This is one layer. It's only RM65 and you get this quality, this packaging. Kalau you guys tak beli, you guys tak try, you guys rugi. You guys kena try. Like, I'm not paid to do this video. I'm not paid to review this product. They send this product to me for free, yes. But diorang tak bayar I untuk buat video. Diorang tak bayar I untuk buat review. This is 100% my honest review. I'm not asking you to buy this product because I get paid. No. But because it's really good. Like, a product like this, deserve to be hyped about. Now we're gonna use this black lasting eyeliner from ZC. So this is how the tip of the liner look like. I really like this kind of eyeliner. Okay, it's really precise, it's really pointy. I nak buat eyeliner yang a bit dramatic. Okay, so this eyeliner is RM25. Dia ada 3 color for you to choose from. I play color black, of course. So let's see how this eyeliner applies. Okay, I'm gonna draw a wing. Okay, I akan apply juga eyeliner dekat I punya bottom lashes. Okay, this look is slowly turning into an Arabic makeup. Okay, so for the eyeliner, I really like it. I suka tip dia is easy to apply, easy to control juga. And it's really pigmented. Dia memang hitam, memang true black. I have nothing against this eyeliner, semua okay. It's really nice. So for mascara, I ada 2 mascara hari ni. Satu untuk my bottom lashes and satu untuk my lower lashes. I'm gonna use this ZC Colorful Waterproof Mascara. I really like the wand of this mascara. The bristle is really thin, okay, dia nipis. And this mascara is RM35. But it looks so nice, nampak tak? Feels heavy juga, okay. Semua produk from ZC memang berat and it feels luxurious. Okay, I'm gonna apply the first coat of this mascara. Because this wand dia macam nipis and kecil kan, so it's really easy for you to coat your lashes, especially dekat inner corner ni kan. Biasanya kalau wand yang jenis tebal dia susah sikit nak pakai, dia akan comot-comot ke, dia akan terkena juga sebenarnya eyelids and whatsoever. But this one sebab dia nipis, so dia senang nak apply. For those yang ada lashes yang pendek macam I, it does lengthens your lashes, tapi dia tak bagi volume. It doesn't thickens your lashes. Dia tak buat you punya bulu mata nampak tebal. Maybe you can add few coats, maybe like 2 or 3 coats untuk bagi dia lagi effect tebal tu. For me, I just buat 2 coat and I think it's pretty good. It's good enough for me. So now I'm gonna use this Slender mascara. This one is RM19. Okay, this is how the applicator look like. The wand nipis gila. So I can apply on my bottom lashes. Yes, I really like this mascara untuk apply dekat bottom lashes sebab dia sangat-sangat senang for you to get on your bottom lashes. Dan lagi I punya bottom lashes ni macam pendek kan, so bila you apply dia tak comot-comot and dia senang je nak coat your bottom lashes. I lagi suka this one daripada the previous mascara sebab this one memang it lengthens and thickens I punya bottom lashes quite nicely. Okay, so for the last item I nak try is this lipstick. This one is the long lasting lipstick and I did in the code 309. Okay, this is how the lipstick looks like. It's really nice. It's a lipstick bullet, tapi dia punya lipstick tu dia ada like engrave. It's really nice. Only RM35 you guys. So the colour yang I pilih is this colour, like a brick red brown kind of colour. So I'm gonna apply on my lips. I tak pakai any lip balm because I nak tengok how this lipstick works on its own. So the shape of this lipstick is interesting. Okay, dia bukan macam a normal bullet lipstick. Dia ada macam like a triangle shape. Tak tahu if you guys can see it. So let's apply it. Okay, the texture is creamy. It's smooth. Tapi dia punya shape dia sebab dia macam triangle, so it's a bit hard untuk you get the precise application. Dia ada like a satin finish. It's not a matte lipstick. Definitely dia takkan dry down to completely matte. Okay, it glides so smooth on the lips. Dia tak macam kesat ke, dia tak macam kering ke. The only problem I ada for this lipstick is the shape. Dia a bit susah nak apply sebab shape dia macam like diamond, triangle macam tu. You definitely have to get used to this shape untuk you apply. But so far I like the colour, I like the formula, the texture. I like the texture, it's really hydrating. So for those yang ada dry and chapped lips, this lipstick will do justice for you. I don't know what's wrong with me today, tapi actually I ada brow product. I just tak perasan sebab banyak sangat produk dekat atas meja I. So tadi actually I dah guna this eyebrow powder on top of the wax yang I pakai. That's why I punya brow nampak a bit pekat daripada yang tadi. So this is the eyebrow powder. This eyebrow is only 25 ringgit. There are 3 colour for you to choose from. I pilih shade grey and black sebab I suka my eyebrow nampak very light, macam greyish colour. So it comes with this brush, double-sided. Dia ada the spoolie and the angle brush. So I guna these 2 colour and I lightly fill in my brow, especially dekat the tail and the outer part of my brow, and I leave the middle part untouched sebab I nak lagi nampak gradient kan. And this eyebrow powder is really nice, it's really creamy, dia very pigmented, dia tak powdery, dia tak chalky. For those yang suka pakai eyebrow powder macam I memang suka guna eyebrow powder. This is really good, so you boleh try this out. So that guys conclude the final look. So that guys, my full honest review of ZC products, and I honestly really love how my makeup looks today. Semua produk yang I try from ZC today is really good. For the price and the quality, I still tak boleh nak brain macam mana harga dia sangat affordable, tapi the quality and the packaging is really nice. Yeah, I highly recommend you guys untuk check out this brand. You guys just macam I cakap tadi, just check out my description box down below where you can find these products dekat Shopee. If you guys purchase it and you guys guna, do tag me on Instagram, buat story, mention me. I would love to see how you guys think of this product. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you guys enjoy it, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, you guys can do so. It really means the world to me. Please comment down below what are the brand you guys nak I try and what are the videos you guys nak I buat. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye. Assalamualaikum.